This video gives a quick technical tour of the construction details of the kitchen cabinets I'm going to teach you how to build. These are the sides, also called gables. That's the bottom. These are the top cleats that secure the countertop. Moving up to the upper cabinets, we have the sides, the bottom. Here's the top and the adjustable shelf pin holes here that I'll be showing you how to drill. There's also the side panels, which are very similar to the doors. There's some joinery tricks I'm going to be teaching you. And when it comes time to putting the doors together, I'll be giving you several options there. We'll be talking about veneered plywoods and solid wood edging, kick-base construction and installation, and perhaps most importantly, dimensions. This will be all about how to customize your kitchen to suit your own needs and situation. No traditional cabinet would be complete without something on crown molding and drawer construction as well, and a lot of other fancy details. So thank you for joining me. I really hope you get a lot out of this course.